So if I ask you what is addiction, potentially you may link addiction to alcohol, drugs, or yeah. But the thing is, addiction is much more bigger than that. Addiction is linked to, social media, junk food, pornography. And teenagers, they become crazy. They are emotionally drained. They are psychologically exhausted. And they keep hiding their pain and emotion. They don't want to talk about it. And when the parent, for example, they question them or they want to talk to them or give them a command, for example, like, Sarah, go and do your work, do your homework, for example, the Sarah understood that or processed that from emotional side. What I mean by emotional side is teenagers, they have got like thinking brain and emotional brain. The thinking brain is the last part of the brain that is going to mature at the age of 24. But emotional brain is mature when they hit the puberty. That means they will process that from emotional side. Example, Sarah, do you work? Sarah will process that as, my father doesn't like me, my father doesn't appreciate me, my father doesn't want me to have a free time. And this kind of misunderstanding, because the father actually talking like he doesn't talk to teenagers, but he talking to an adult. And the teenagers, she will not process that the father wants her to do the work because that's good for her school. So coming back home exhausted, they don't want to talk about the emotions. The father see his daughter or his son that he disrespect me. The teacher, even the teacher, they don't understand them actually. Sometimes I have seen that all the times. Yeah, actually, they didn't know how to talk to teenagers. Teenagers, as I mentioned before, the thinking brain is going to mature. The brain starts to mature from that side until that side is going to be mature at the age of 24. I mean, they're not gonna process what you're saying from an adult's point of view. They will never do that. But if you talk to them, think like a teenagers, but act like an adult. I mean, this is if you want to be a good communicator, you want to understand them. Okay, so before we dive in on talking about the dopamine and social media, I want you to stay with me also, because it's very important to understand that stuff is going to change a lot in your life. Either you are teenagers or you are a parent or you are teachers.